It's going.
Today I'll be showing you how to make the cutlery. Like you saw in the previous video. You take one stick and lay it diagonally northeast. Then take another one and lay it across to make kind of an X shape. But make sure that they're not too far apart. They need to be about the length of your thumb. Then take another stick and press this down. So take another stick, and this works best on carpet. Take another stick and go this carpet under it. Go under it like that. Then take under this one and like that.
And make it parallel with the blue stick.
Then hold down this. Then do it over and over again.
And make sure it's parallel every time.
If it's not parallel, it will end up looking really skinny and weird.
Yeah.
And then
show them how to end it.
Okay, so go under. Then to end it,
you hold it.
You take it like this, hold this piece, and go under this one, then over this one, and then back under this one. Might be a little hard, but it's easier.
It's easier on carpet.
This is kind of like carpet, but
yeah. You see how hard it is for him? That is the tension that it will pop up with.
It goes like a foot high. Okay, so you know what to do. And to release it, take out this stick.
The first stick you ever put in, and then you let go. And it will work. Here.
That's just because. So we'll show you now one that's fully made.
Yeah. Okay, before you let go of the first stick you put down, you're going on the carpet. You're gonna have to. You see these little carpet pieces? They're stuck in the popsicle sticks, so you're gonna have to get it out, or else it will not work. See, I'm pulling them up. So. You just do that all the way through your little track or big track. Oh, this part's hard. Oh gosh. You might rip up the carpet.
Be wary of this because you might accidentally set it off.
Yeah.
So here we're going to show you how to set it off. This is how you take it off. See the first stick you ever place. You want to take it off.
But make sure you're holding